Hey guys, it's Mark with Hallmark Pool Supplies, and in this video I want to talk to you guys about cloudy pools. Why do pools get cloudy? Now before we get started, I want you to know that there are a lot of different scenarios that can cause a cloudy pool, but in this video we're going to talk about the most common cases that cause a pool to get cloudy. So one of the main reasons a pool gets cloudy is low chlorine. So it is very important to maintain your chlorine level as well as all your balancers in the pool, such as calcium, pH, alkalinity, and cyanuric acid. If these balancers are out of range, then your chlorine does not work as effectively as it should, and you end up with a cloudy pool. So what is consuming all this chlorine? Well, there's a lot of things, such as bather load, the sun, the heat, suntan oil, urine, sweat. These are all things that consume chlorine, so it is very important to test your chlorine and your pH on a daily basis. You can do this at home with a home test kit, and then I recommend at least once a month to take your water to your local pool store and have it professionally tested, where they can go a little bit deeper into some of these balancers and testing to make sure that your pool is balanced perfectly. Another common reason we would have a cloudy pool is running a pool filter system that is dirty. And what do I mean by that? If the pressure in your filter goes 10 psi above the normal operating range, it is time to clean the filter. For an example, if you guys have a cartridge filter, we need to take it apart and clean it. If you guys have a sand or a DE filter, we need to backwash and rinse. Now, if we do this, everything will be running clean and you'll have a nice clean pool. If we find out that we are having to backwash and rinse or take the cartridge filter apart and clean it more often than normal, then it might be time for you guys that have a cartridge system to replace the cartridge filter. And for you guys that have a sand or a DE, we may need to change sand or wash out the DE filter and recoat the filter with DE. Having a good clean filter system that is running to optimal performance is going to be best for the pool, and it's going to keep the pool the cleanest. Another cause for a cloudy pool, and this is actually quite common, and that is people that don't run their filter system long enough. It is very important that during the swimming season, we run the pump and filter at least 8 to 12 hours a day consistently. For best results, I recommend during the swimming season, when the pools are used at the most, is to run that filter system 24 hours a day. As long as it's running, it's constantly cleaning, filtering, and circulating the water. So circulation and filtering a pool is key to having a clean, clear pool. Another common problem to clearing a pool is insufficient flow or poor circulation. It is very important to have good flow and circulation in a pool, so this way the pool has a good turnover rate and it can keep your pool nice and clean. If we have insufficient flow, it will take much longer to clear a pool, and if we have good flow, it'll clear much faster. If you guys would like, I have a video called How a Swimming Pool Works. I'll post that video down in the link below and you can check it out. And in that video, I go into a little bit more detail where if you watch it, you'll get a little bit better understanding in regards to how you can position the jets and so forth in your pool to get the most efficient flow for your pool. Last but not least, another key to keeping a good, clean, and clear pool is brush and vacuum the pool on a regular basis. The cleaner the pool, the cleaner the filter. The cleaner the filter, the cleaner the pool. Everything works hand in hand, and by having a good, clean pool, you'll have less problems and your pool will always be much cleaner. But brushing and vacuuming is very important to maintaining a good, clean pool. And for those of you that have a difficult pool-related question and you need some help, you can definitely get in contact with me by booking a phone session, and I'll post a link down below so you guys can do that, and I'll be glad to help. If you guys want another video on maintenance tips and you've made it this far in the video, check this video out, Top 10 Maintenance Tips. As always, remember us at Hallmark Pool Supplies for all your pool needs. I appreciate everybody watching. My name is Mark, and I'll see you guys on the next video.